Samahan niyo ako today na mag-dinner sa cafe kung saan pwede ka makipaglaro sa mga fur babies na to. This is Coffee Cat, located sa may Paradise Compound, Barangay Kutkut, Angeles City. Wala nga lang jeep na dumadaan dito but you can reach them via Grab, taxi o kaya tricycle. Nasa Google Maps din sila. They serve Filipino, Western and Thai dishes. And every Sunday naman nag-o-offer din sila ng unlimited pizza, pasta and chicken wings for only $399. At para sa mga estudyante na nagvi-visit, basta dala niyo yung ID niyo, you get 10% discount. Para naman sa mga may special occasions like kasal, debut, binyag, meron din silang function hall and catering services. Ang daming ganap, diba? Pero anyway, dito muna tayo sa ating mga orders for tonight. Na-curious ako na meron silang Thai food and since namimiss ko yung food trip namin sa Bangkok, then nag-order ako nitong tom yum. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. You get the flavors of lemongrass, ginger, cilantro, and lime leaf. Medyo creamy lang yung version na to kasi meron siyang coconut milk. Meron din tayong fresh spring rolls. This has vegetables and shrimp. Tapos yung dip niya is a little nutty with a touch of sweetness and tang. And then meron din silang pad thai. Yung noodles niya nga lang medyo different compared to what we used in Thailand, but the flavors are really good. There's egg, shrimp, nuts, bean sprouts, and vegetables. Ang dami niyang components, but it all came together really well. We also had some iced coffee. Tapos eto na yung mga Filipino dishes natin, starting with their beef caldereta and seafood fried rice. The fried rice in itself is packed with umami, maraming sahog. Yung caldereta, classic Kapampangan yung timpla, although I wish it was spicy, pero on its own, it's really good. We also have crispy kare-kare with bagoong. This was a little bit on the salty side for me, pero para sa mga kasama ko, sakto lang daw sa kanila. Well, kanya-kanyang taste naman palagi yan. Ito naman yung barbecue satay, yung isa ay chicken, and I think yung isa ay pork. Tamang-tama yung pagkakagrill. It has a little bit of char on the outside, pero juicy on the inside, and it's properly seasoned. Ang sarap nitong soy sriracha chicken nila. It's probably my favorite out of everything we ordered. Tama lang yung anghang, and it's savory na may konting sweetness. Ito naman, barbecue ribs. Tignan nyo yan, fall off the bone, diba? Para dun sa mga hindi mahilig sa sobrang tamis na barbecue ribs, ito yung perfect para sa inyo. Malambot yung meat, medyo smoky, panigurado, mapapa-extra rice kayo. At kapag nagpunta ka dito na birthday mo, meron kang libreng cake. Their blueberry cheesecake was smooth and not too sweet, pero personally, mas nagustuhan ko itong parang ube chiffon. It's very light and moist at hindi umay. Pagkatapos kumain, pinuntahan namin itong mga fur babies nila. If I'm not mistaken, parang nasa 14 yata yung alaga nila dito. Tapos may short orientation muna bago pumasok.
Ito po, gloves po, bago po kayo pumasok sa captroom, kailangan nyo pong isuot po. Tapos para po, safety na lang po sa mga cats. Tapos pagdating nyo po dito sa loob po, may mga rules po kami dito na pwede nyo pong basahin po.
Kapag kids yung papasok, required na merong guardian at lagi rin namang merong staff na mag-a-assist. So sa lahat ng mga mahilig din sa fur babies, kung gusto nyo silang ma-meet, itry nyo na rin dito sa Coffee Cat.